Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll show you guys how to enter safe mode on your PlayStation Vita. So you might want to enter safe mode if you want to do a system restore, or if your system's really faulty, or maybe you just want to know how to do it for the future. So the first thing you want to do is just make sure your PS Vita is fully powered off. So you can do that just by holding the power button down and then just selecting power off. So just give your PS Vita just a few seconds to completely power off. Right, so when it's completely powered off, there's like a button combination that you guys want to do. So you want to hold the PlayStation Home button, the power button, and both left and right. So this can be a bit awkward. What I like to do first is hold left and right, then hold the PlayStation button, then try to hold the power button. So I'm just going to try and turn this on for you guys, show you guys how to do it now. It is a bit of an awkward button combination. Once you see the PlayStation logo, you can just let go. And as you can see, we're in safe mode. So we've got 5 options here. We've got restart the system, rebuild database, format memory card, and restore the system. So my PS Vita is actually running fine, so I don't really want to select any option from 2 to 5. So all I'm going to do is just restart the system, and that's pretty much just like a hard restart sort of thing, and it just refreshes everything. And as you can see, my PS Vita is fine. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.